Hello, welcome to the Breeze Home Slack tutorial. My name is David Guerra. This project is operating under the mentorship of product owner Dr. Masood Sajadi. Shortly after joining the project, a Slack invite will be sent to your FIU email account. Simply open the email, click the Join Now button, then enter your full name for your new account's display name. Accept the terms of service and you should be taken directly to the project Slack page. Once you're on the Slack page, get in contact with your product owner or project mentor to get access to all 4 required Slack channels listed on this video. 3 out of 4 of these channels serve a very important purpose for this project. In the Daily Scrum channel, you'll need to report in daily and weekly to fill out your meeting minutes for both your daily Scrum and weekly checkpoints. Advance notice to your product owner should be given if you are unavailable to fill out your daily Scrum meeting minutes in the allotted time. The general channel is a space of collaboration and discussion with your fellow teammates. And the training channel is a place to coordinate with the product owners and mentors on the ongoing progress of your user stories and your submitted videos. Please keep in mind students are expected to make frequent checks to the project Slack. It is highly recommended that students have the mobile Slack app installed with notifications enabled for the duration of the project. This has been Davi Guerra, and I wish you good luck on this project.